Hey there everybody, Indy Dirk here with another Google Sheets tutorial for you. I wanted to show you how I would format this information. So I copied and pasted this info from another website. It's information about the US states and some population and density information, etc. As you can see, when I pasted it in here, I got all the headers over here to the left. And I don't really want that. I want the headers to go over the top of the information they're supposed to coordinate with. So what we're going to do is this. I'm going to go here to row 10, and I'm going to go insert one above, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my transpose formula. I'm going to go like this, equals transpose, and hit enter. And then I'm going to grab the information that I want to put here, and I want to put A1 through A9, just like that. I'm going to hit enter, and then as you see, the information, the header information, goes over the proper columns. So that's perfect. Now what I want to do is delete all of this so that this row is, my row 10 is my row 1. And so if I do that, what will happen is it'll take everything away because this is a live and active formula. So what I'm going to do is grab here, I'm going to grab all the information in this row, and I'm going to say Command C, or Control C if you're a PC user, and that's just copying everything. And then what I'm going to do is say Shift Command V or Shift Control V, and that pasted in there. And hitting that Shift basically takes the information from a formula and converts it to static. So now, as you can see, if I click on this A10, that formula is gone, that transpose formula, and I can go like this and delete rows 1 through 9, and then boom, we have our headers over the top of our information. Just real quickly to clean this up, I'm going to grab this little bar right here and pull it down, and basically what that does is it freezes the information so we can scroll down and see all the states with our headers still visible. And I think I'll go ahead and center align these and bold them, and then I can go ahead and wrap the text here too, just like this. And then if I wrap it, I have 2 lines. I'm going to middle align this, and there we go. We got some good looking information now. So, alright, that's how to use the transpose formula to clean up some pesky kind of data formatting. So, hope that helps. Thanks. Bye-bye.